Hello, back to a new video from Illustrators, and now I'm going to turn on into my tablet. It's working, totally working, blah blah blah. Here's some stuff here, and here's some other stuff. It's working. Let's turn on into it. I don't recommend anyone to do this because it's kind of stupid. So anyway. Let's go. I'm going to get into it with this razor blade, blah blah, anything. So let's go. I'm leaving it to charge because this is the second time or third time to record, and I didn't charge it. So I wanted to show you that it was working. So I had to make all that thing again. Okay, wait. That is really unprofessional. Let's remove the charger. Okay, it is needing charging. Okay. Oh. Finally, ta-da! This is how it looks. This is its back. This is how it looks. Let's put that away, and it's still working. Oh, let's charge it. It's still working. Okay, let's turn it off, and boom, that is its back. And there's a lot of stuff here to mess around with, and there's a lot of stuff here to learn from. So it's not okay. It's looking kind of good. So I don't know, I think that is the battery. I see that is it a one piece or two piece? I don't know. So anyway, let's get into it. I'm going to get a pen and a marker for a reason, to mess around. Let's start here. Anything. Let's start it. Subscribe. Whoever is going to open this again is going to see subscribe. Okay, so as we see here, there's some Lego connectors here that connect stuff. So here is the speaker, and here's another one. Let's go and play anything. Wait a second. Is there anything to be played? Any music? I hope I don't have any copyrighted songs. No, I don't have any songs. Okay, cool. I'm going to record something and play it again for you. Where's the recording thing? Wait. So, where is it? Okay, here's it. Low battery. Okay, recorder, where is my voice recorder? Where is my voice recorder? Let's go to YouTube. YouTube doesn't work. let's go and search. Oh yeah, finally. Okay, wait some seconds for some seconds. So okay, I found some sounds. I have no songs, I have nothing, but I have some things that I play when alarm comes. Okay, so it works. Let's get it. It's from both sides. Let's go and take the. It's now from that side only. Boom, there's no sound. Let's put one back. Comes. Let's remove it again. There's no sound. So let's put these back again. And let's go to the vibration thing. No vibration. Okay, I guess I'm going to have to do an alarm so that it can vibrate. Wait. And well, if you don't know, okay, here's the alarm. That's the vibration thing. That is okay. If I remove this, there's no vibration, no sound or now there is vibration. That's the vibration thing. No sound. The other sound, no sound or vibration. Let's remove it and stop this alarm. Just stop. Okay, let's go to the camera here. I charged it for a bit, and let's go here and remove the camera. Boom. Ta-da! Here's the selfie camera. So it's just like that. There's no camera. Now maybe with the camera, back camera, front camera, and the other camera. Let's remove it. Boom. There's no other camera. Let's put back. We can. Let's try. Put that camera back. Ta-da. So now I've removed both of the cameras, and let's move the flash just for fun. Why isn't it happening? Oh, it jumped out of the thing. Okay, let's record something to do with. Wait, let's just put them all back in because I don't want them to fold. Okay, what like that. Camera. Okay, let's make it a video. Okay, hello, anything. This is a test to see if the headphone jack will work if we remove the thing that connects the headphone jack. That's all. Okay, now as we have recorded this, let's move the headphone jack. Okay, let's go to check out the video. Hello, anything. This is a test to see if the headphone jack will work if we remove the thing that connects the headphone jack. Okay, let's put on the headphone jack. Is it? It isn't working for a reason. Let's try. Oh, because it isn't there actually. Okay, I hope you can hear it. Can you hear it? I don't know if you can hear, but anyway, let's try. Oh, let's try then removing it. It doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay, let's put these back and remove. This is a test to see if the headphone jack will work. So there's another thing here, the power button and the volume thing. Wait, power button volume thing. Have another one here. So now I can turn off the screen, or even it doesn't. Nothing is happening. Let's put it back on. Now screen should be turning on and off. If we turn off the screen then remove it, there's no way we can open the screen because there's no buttons here. let's put it back. And there's another thing. Okay, let's. Is it working? There's another thing here. That. I'm sure this is for charging because it comes because it is coming from that space. So let's see. I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to say low battery, and check out that mark. It's not going to be there. That mark. I hope you can see it. Oh, no, despite it's here. Why isn't it charging? Because the actual thing isn't here. Oh, let's put it back in. Ta-da! Now I hope it. Yeah, it is charging. You see this? Yeah. There's that white. Means it's charging. Focus, 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 focus. Yeah, it's charging. I hope you believe me. Yeah, it's charging. Let's go back. There's this thing that I think. Let's see. I've removed it. Okay. There's the touch screen. The touch screen isn't working. Let's put it back. Focus. Put that charger away. I don't know what's the problem. Oh yeah. I hope it's now connected. Let's go now. Yeah. It's working. Yeah. So now the last thing here. I think yeah, it's the last thing. Okay, let's try removing it. Oh, the screen just stopped working. I think that's the thing related to the screen. To be fast, there is no space on my phone, so we have removed it. It isn't working, so let's put it back. Try turning it on. It does some glitches. Wait, what is happening? It does some glitches until you fully get it in. Like, get in, then locked. So that's how you put it back in. So that was all. There's no more space on my phone, so I have to finish this quickly. So that's how I turned down. Let's be over. That was hard. Let's just put this thing back on. You just put it on basically. Ta-da, that's